In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to position and rewrite a Substack About page and account settings. Let's jump right in and get your About page working harder for you. Start by opening Substack in your browser. Once it loads, look down at the bottom left sidebar and click on More. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will bring you to the Account Settings page. Take a moment to look at the Publications section on this Account Settings page. If you manage more than one publication, you'll need to make sure you're editing the right one. Click the Publication switcher in the upper left corner of the dashboard. A list of your publications will appear, and from there, click the publication you want to edit. Now we'll move into the website settings to find the About page editor. On the left sidebar, click Settings. Then, still on the left sidebar, click the Website section. Scroll through the Website section until you find the About page row. On the right side of that About page row, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click Edit to open the About page editor. Now we'll rewrite the top of your About page around a clear reader promise. Click inside the About page editor body so your cursor is active. Next, select the existing About page text. You want to highlight the current content so it can be replaced. Once the text is selected, paste in the rewritten About page sample. Feel free to copy and paste the pinned comment, which has the full sample text ready for you to use. Give it a moment to drop into the editor, and make sure the formatting comes through cleanly as expected. With the new text in place, it's time to save the rewritten About page. Before saving, take a quick moment to review the first paragraph. Confirm that this opening paragraph names the audience and states the benefit clearly. These are the two things that anchor your positioning. Once you're satisfied with how the first paragraph reads, move your cursor to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. After clicking Save, wait until Substack confirms that the changes are saved. You'll usually see a small confirmation message or indicator appear, and it's important not to navigate away until that confirmation shows. Now let's check the public version of your About page to make sure everything looks correct from a reader's perspective. Start by going to your website. Once you're on your website view, look at the top right corner and copy the website URL from there. Next, click the address bar at the top of your browser. Paste your website URL into that address bar. After the URL is pasted, add /about at the end, so the full address points directly to your About page. Once the address is complete with /about at the end, press Enter to load the page. The public About page will now load in your browser. Read through the top of the page and confirm that the first paragraph now shows the rewritten positioning statement you just pasted in. Make sure the audience is named, the benefit is clear, and the new content has replaced the old version completely. And that's the result. Your public Substack About page now explains who the publication is for, what readers will get from subscribing, why the writer is credible, and how often new posts arrive. The page is saved inside Substack's publication settings, and it's live and visible at the publication/about URL for any reader who visits. You've successfully repositioned your About page to do the work of attracting and converting the right readers. The opening paragraph is now doing the heavy lifting by speaking directly to your audience. The body content backs it up with credibility, and the publishing cadence sets clear expectations for what new subscribers can look forward to from your publication going forward.